Okay, once again, good morning everyone. So, here we come to the third part of the chapter Russian Revolution, and here we will be discussing February Revolution, its effect, and October Revolution. Yes, these three topics we will be discussing in this. So, Petrograd was given in the winter of 1970. There was heavy food shortage in the worker quarters. हमने food shortage की problem है. Yes, so ये जो भी parliamentaries थे, they were wishing to preserve elected government and that were opposed to the Shah desire to dissolve Duma. So on 22nd February, a lockout took place at factory followed by a strike next day, and demonstrating workers crossed from factory quarters to capital, and no political party organized this movement. So government imposed curfew and later suspended Duma. For that, police headquarters were ransacked and people raised a slogan about the bread, better hours, and democracy. Cavalry called out by the government to control them. Now, Petrograd Soviet was formed by soldiers and striking workers on advice of military commanders. The Tsar abdicated Soviet and Duma leader formed a provisional government to run the company. Russian future was to be decided by a constitution assembly elected through universal adult suffrage. And Petrograd had led the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy in the 1917. Now the effect of this revolution. Yes, what was that the provisional government influenced army officials, landowners and industrialists, liberal and socialist, worked towards an elected government, and restriction on public meeting was removed. Soviet were set up and everywhere, but the system of election was not followed in common. Next, the Vladimir, that was the Bolshevik leader, returned to Russia and opposed war according to the Lenin's April thesis. He declared war to be brought to a close, land to be closed, land to be transferred. So Lenin के April thesis क्या थी कि war to be closed, land to be transferred to the peasant, and banks should be nationalized. Now workers' movement spread and factory committee were formed which began in the questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. Trade unions increased and the soldiers' committees were formed in the army. So basically, जो भी लेबर ग्रुप था that was becoming more united now. Yes, provisional government saw that its power were declining and Bolshevik को जो follow करने वाले लोग थे पार्टी को that were increasing. Yes, so it decided to take measure against the discontent. It resisted attempt by workers to run factory and arrested leader. Even the peasants and socialist revolutionary leader pressed to redistribution of land. Land committees formed and the peasants seized land between July and September 1917. Now because of this, there was another revolution in the same year, that was the October Revolution. Now why this happened, we will see. Lenin feared the provisional government would set up a dictatorship. He persuaded Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik party to argue on socialist seizure of power. Now the uprising began on the 24th of October. The PM, उस टाइम पे PM कौन थे? Kerensky, had left the city to summon troops. Military men loyal to government seized the building of two Bolshevik newspapers. After that, military revolutionary committee ordered to seize government offices and arrest the minister in response. And the Aura ship shelled the Winter Palace. Other vessels took over the military points. Yes, and the city was under the committee's control now, and the ministers had to surrender. Now, the majority of all Russian Congress of Soviet approved the Bolshevik action, and there was a heavy fighting in the Moscow, and finally Bolshevik controlled the Moscow Petrograd area. So here we can see that ultimately Bolshevik party was in the power. Yes, was in the power. अब जैसे ये अक्टूबर रेवोल्यूशन हुई, there was the effect of this also. Yes, so we will see that in the next part.